Oh, good morning, wild, wild world. It's the Thursday morning. Oof. And so, I had the time to drink smart and make myself a meal replacement steak. Yay. So, I was a Patreon that got transferred over to the Kickstarter campaign for the Arcadian Wild, which meant that I got the album early. And their new album's released May 3rd. Highly suggest you go check it out. Beautiful, wonderful band. But love it. Haven't listened to it all the way through because I'm like waiting for like good periods so that I can sit and digest all the songs and whatnot. But yeah, it's a lovely album. Certainly helps me cope with all the stress that I have, the homework I need to get done. So, ain't no rest for the wicked, or the weary, or anybody. Ah! I seem to have found an egg of a birdie.
Wow.
Aha! A bird's nest. I wonder if those little birdies in there. I cannot see because it is taller than I am. So sad.
Matthew chapter 5, verses 1 through 12. And he opened his mouth and taught them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall receive mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when others revile you and persecute you, and utter all kinds of evil against you falsely on my account. Rejoice and be glad, for your reward is great in heaven, for so they persecuted the prophets who were before you.
For righteousness to be in their life. And they felt as though that void that was so deep inside could never be filled. Jesus said, Blessed are you. You'll be filled. Now, let me stop here for just a second.
Do you hear that squeaking? I think it's my wallet. No. Oh, is it my belt? Oh, yeah, that's silly. Anyway, I'm here doing SILE duties. So I slide the stuff in the printer. Use the printer. Oh, can't show you that. Haha. There we go. Yep. Oh, look at that. Watch this. Watch how cool this is. And then, somehow, it magically spits the paper out over here. It's like a magic trick. Whoa! Look at that. Wow.
Wow.
Copies are made. All ready for SI tonight. Now it's time to go get dinner.
Oh no! There's only 2 bananas left!
We are on my way to SI. If that truck doesn't kill me. Do. Oh, it's rainy weather. But what do you do about it? 'Tis Tennessee, you know. So now on to SI. Ready? Ooh, ow. That failed. I don't know what that was supposed to do, but whatever. Wow. So SI is over. It's all done. So I got it all finished. And it's still light outside, which is amazing because it's like 7:45 at night. It's pretty warm. I mean, light. So now back to homework. About getting something from the vending machine tonight. I really did. But it seems like things are getting a little bit froggy in there. Oh boy, that is weird. How did he get in there? What? That is so strange. Something to post on Reddit. So instead of having frog vending machine, I'm gonna get myself some SpaghettiOs before I get back to work.